everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I have a pretty large TEMU haul. This is the basket of goodies. Most of them are beads and cabochons. I thought I would go ahead and share what I picked up. I ended up picking up some duplicates by accident. I think I placed 3 or 4 different orders. Let's dive right in. I first picked up this pink bead kit. It was $1.19. It has beautiful big charms and beads. Look at how nice these clear bows are. We have some nice flowers and we have these pretty ones. Really nice selection there. I was talking with Sharon from Cheap to Chic. I will link her channel down below. Told me I had to pick up the green and I had to pick up the yellow. Let's take a look at these ones. These are nice. They have some of the tulip caps, which is really nice. These frosted hearts, they are beads. This nice big star. These are really nice. Super happy with this selection as well. Let's take a look at the yellow one. These are some unique pieces. We have this really big puzzle piece, kind of weird. And we have this kind of spooky bunny. These beads are nice. We have some more of the frosted tulip caps. We do have a large bear. Very cute. These are fun. These are great for little mixes. Happy with all of those. This was one of the ones that I picked up too by accident. These are the clear flower beads. They were $1.34. Let's take a look at these. These are really pretty. I love the colors. We have the blue, pink, yellow, the green, orange, and the lighter pink. Really happy with those. They're really pretty. I picked up these strawberry buttons. They were $2.39. These are so super cute. They're wooden. So fun. Really happy with those. I also picked them up in the colored ones. Look at how fun these are. What a great variety of colors. Fruit is totally in right now. And these were also the $2.39 price. And I want to say there was 50 in the bag. That's a great deal. I picked up this large bag of sprinkles. These were $1.59 for the mix. This was 50 grams, which is a really great size for that price. This was 50 grams for $1.59. And the Hobby Lobby sells 10 grams. And when they go on 50% off, they're still $1. So that is a way better value buying them from TEMU. I picked up these mini cabochon flowers. They were $1.59. There's 100 in here. These are so cute and tiny. I mean, very tiny, but I did want them tiny so I could add them to my cards without them adding a lot of bulk to them. We have the pink, purple, and this really nice green. That's fun. This large pack of beads, these were $2.29. I really liked the size of these. They have some really nice details in them and they come in these great pastel colors. There's 100 in this bag. I picked up this bag. This bag was completely open inside the package. This was $1.07. I just put it in a new package. It's all pink and it's just super cute little cabochon items. We have like a starfish, ribbon bands, some hearts, slapbacks, some bows. Really good selection there. Everybody loves pink, right? I know I do. Let's see, we have these. These were 89 cents. And there are, I think there's 50 pieces in here. These are the tiny gummy bears. They are so tiny, you almost can't tell that they're gummy bears. I actually thought that they were bows, but they're not. They're little bears. There we go. And they're in really nice, pretty colors. These will be fun to share in Happy Mail. I ended up picking up 2 of these, not realizing that they pretty much are identical. They are mini bows. This package was 89 cents and this package was $1.07. Let's see what they look like. I wanted to get some additional colors and these are so super cute. I love how small they are. We have a lot of nice unique colors in this pack. These were $1.25. And there's 50 in here. Let's see what they are. These are the chunky stars. They have almost like a crackle glass look to them. And I really love the colors on this. They're really nice. Super fun there. And I ended up picking up 2 of these. Didn't realize that they were the same. They look the same. Maybe the colors are a little bit different. This package was $1.02 and this package was $1.34. These are really nice too. They have the frosted petals and then these really nice pastel middles. Cute. These were 71 cents and there's 100 pieces in here, and these are the baby turtles. Couldn't resist these. Look at how fun they are, and they are beads. They have really cute colors, and these will be great to share in Happy Mail as well. These were $1.43, and these are the frosted stars. These are super fun. They have the frost and then the bead in the middle. They are great. We have these flower bead cabochons. They were $1.27. We have a good variety of colors here. I really like this mint green color. Really fun. And these can be used as beads or as cabochons, the way that they sit with the deeper bottom. I picked up these colored lobster claws. These tiny flowers. These were $1.47 and there's 100 pieces. Look at all of these beautiful colors. They are so tiny. I love them. So cute. These little bunny faces, they were 98 cents. There's 20 pieces in here. So sweet and really tiny. I picked up these flower beads, 50 pieces. I think these were $1.27. They have a good variety of colors. And I can show you that I made a little dangle using one of them. And I put some seed beads on the end. That's super fun. I picked these up. This doesn't look like what I ordered. They were $1.18. I ordered the pastel pack, and this doesn't look like the pastel pack. I'm still going to keep them, and I'll probably just sort them by color and separate them out because they have there's some cute pieces in here, and I can share them in Happy Mail. I picked up this 50 pieces of cabochons. Came with some glue. Cuteness in here. We have some teddy bears, penguins, pineapple. We have little bunnies. I think these are croissant rolls. We have a little hat, a panda, a whole bunch of other cuteness. More cuteness. These are so fun. I'm really actually happy with these. I think they're the perfect size and will go great on packages and on projects. I picked up these stars. These are the clear ones. They were $1.43. These are so pretty. I love how sparkly they are, and I love the colored beads that they have in the middle. I did get 2 of these. These are the ladybugs. They were $1.58. These are so cute. They're almost like glass looking. I have the wooden ones. These ones are just so cute. They have other colors, but I bought the ones that were on sale, and that was the red ones. Yeah, those are so cute. I picked up these clay bits. These are the clouds. I'll have to put the price on the screen for these. I thought I had it written down, and they're so cute. We have these. These are the stars. They're $1.58, and they have this glow about them. I don't know what it is, but it's amazing. It's like a holographic. And let's see if I turn this light off. You can see the purpley blue. Very cool. And then I picked these up. These were $1.48. Let's see what these are. I can't tell. Looks like tiny flowers. Are they beads? They are beads. They are tiny. They're really pretty. I love them. They're going to go great on my projects because I like the smaller things on there. A great variety of colors there. And the last package I picked up, these were 89 cents. These are a mixed nail art, and let's see what's in this one. They're bows, so mixed nail art bows, and we have a lot of the frosted, some pinks, some blues, some purples. I love bows, so these are really pretty. They are tiny. Are they all bows? No. This is a mix because this is a bear. That's a bow. This is a butterfly, so this is some kind of mix. Look at how tiny that bear is. That's super cute. I like that mix. Very pretty. That is my cabochon and bead haul from TEMU. I did pick up a bunch of dies and some stamps and some other things, but I will do them in a different video. I will show you real quick what I've been working on and how I plan to organize and store my new supplies. I used to store my eyelets in these Craftmate containers. They're nice and deep, but I didn't really need them this deep for eyelets. So what I did was I emptied all of the eyelets out of these containers, and I ordered these containers from TEMU. They were like 58 cents each, and I sorted all of my eyelets by color. And I have this one, and I have this one, and then I have one more. That allowed me to organize my cabochons that I already have in these deeper containers. And so now I will start organizing these into these containers. Some of them that are beads, I will put half the bag with the beads and the other half in these containers. And I have also started one that is for wooden, the strawberry wooden buttons. I'll put some in here and some in my fruit container. These are the wooden ones. And I've been organizing my clay bits in these dollar store square boxes. I'll be moving the clouds into a container like this. That is my TEMU haul. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.